Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my updated style routine. Yes, things have changed since I do have blonde in my hair. My hair has different problems now than I did before. So my new styling routine just fights all the issues and makes it work, as you can see. This is something that I've been doing since I've dyed my hair blonde, so it's been working for me for months. These are just new techniques and ways that I style my hair to make sure I have the perfect wash day. So if you'd like to know how I style my hair and you want to know all about my updated style routine, just keep watching. I'm going to be using CurlSmith for my style routine, and I do have a discount code. It's CatsCurls10 for money off your first order online, and I would appreciate if you guys use my code. But let's just get right into it. As you can see, my hair is not in its best form. It needs a lot of TLC. So the first thing I'm going to do in my routine is go on with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I love this stuff. I love to start every single wash day off with this, especially because I have blonde in my hair. I just like to do a bond building treatment just to make sure that my blonde is getting the extra love and care that it needs. And I feel like this product really improves the elasticity and the definition in my hair as well, because not only is it a bond repair treatment, it also has some proteins in it which helps improve the elasticity without giving it a protein overload. So even when my hair is wet, I see a difference, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go rinse my hair because it doesn't have much product, it's just a mess. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair and then apply this. So I brushed my hair out, my hair is wet, and now I'm gonna go in with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I'm just gonna make two huge sections in my hair. So I'm starting off with this much in this section over here. You can definitely add more as you go. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. And then I just like to twist my hair off just so I know that section is done. So I finished applying the product in sections. I'm just going to let it sit for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. So it's been 15 minutes and now I'm about to wash my hair. But this is more of a styling video, so I'm not gonna take you guys to the shower with me. But I'm gonna use the Detox Kit by CurlSmith just to get a really good cleaning. I haven't done this in a while, so I definitely do want to detox my scalp and my hair and just have everything perfectly clean. And then I'm gonna deep condition with the multitasking conditioner. This is used as a leave-in, deep conditioner, and conditioner. So you could use it 3 different ways. I'm gonna use it today as a deep conditioner and probably a leave-in. I might leave a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna leave this in my hair in the shower for about 10-15 minutes just to get a good, nice deep condition out of this. And then I will be back to show you how I style. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. I decided to not leave some of the multitasking conditioner in because I want to show you guys how I use it. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit, literally like this much. Well, this is what I'm gonna start with. But before, I didn't really used to use leave-ins, and now I feel like I kind of have to because my hair is extra dry because of my blonde. And it's not like my stylist did anything wrong, it's just the fact that the second you bleach your hair, it's gonna get drier. So I just like to incorporate a leave-in in my routine now, and that's what I'm doing. For the leave-in, I don't really section, I just distribute it evenly everywhere with the raking hands method. So next I'm going to use the Feather Light Protein Cream as a styler. This cream has a great hold. It has protein to help with my blonde curls, and it gives a good hold while still leaving your hair fluffy and light and very flexible too, so you can still move your curls around, separate your curls. I like to add extra protein in my hair because of the blonde, so since my hair is compromised, I just like to make sure I add extra steps in my routine to make sure I make up for that. And this cream does have a little extra protein, which I love because protein is good for colored hair sometimes, most times. I didn't show before, but I did like 2 more of these. I don't even know what to call them, like product circles in my hair. This is the 3rd one, and this is gonna probably be the last one. So I've been doing the raking method this whole time, and now I'm just gonna do praying hands to make sure the product is distributed evenly. So for the last step of my routine, I'm gonna go in with the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This is my favorite gel of all time. I said it. It goes well with everything, and it has a really good hold, but it's also super lightweight. It still leaves my hair super light, super fluffy, while giving it a hold and making my hair last as long as I want it to last. Something I love about this product is I don't really get buildup from it either, just because the formula is so lightweight. So I'm just gonna rake this in. So the last step in my routine, I use a brush to just make sure all the product is distributed evenly. This is one of the techniques I use to make my curls last really long. So I'm just gonna take really thin sections and then just look at the end. And look at those curls already forming. So I just do this throughout sections in my hair. I don't make any crazy sections. I just brush all the hair to the front. So you can already see the curl clumps forming. A tiny bit more gel. The tiniest bit, and I'm just gonna scrunch. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna diffuse, and you'll see the results after. Thank you for watching my updated style routine. Hopefully you learned something. I know some of us may have the same issues with our hair, and especially those who have colored hair, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.